Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We're looking at a problem that deals with percentages and money, cost. So we're going to determine how to find a percent of something using a number line. In this case, this is my number line or chart diagram, a percent diagram. This is coming from CPM course 2, and this is section 5.3.2. 5.3.2. Okay. So it says the local theater is raising ticket prices by 20%. So 20% is raising the ticket price by 20%. So it says assuming the current ticket price is $7.50, use the diagram at the right to find out how much more youth tickets will cost. So what I'm really needing to figure out is what is 20% of $7.50, because that's how much they're raising it by. So they're going to if we can know what 20% of $7.50 is, then we know how much the tickets will be increased. So this table or diagram gives us a nice starting point, right? So we see on one side all the percentages, and each line is going by tens, right? So here's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on and so forth. So then over here, I need to kind of go with what would be each of these lines when it comes to money. If I'm starting at 0 and I'm working my way to 750, each of these lines would be what? Well, if they're divided by 10, each of the lines are divided equally by 10. So then I need to just take that and divide by 10. So the question is, what is 750 divided by 10? Right? When you divide by 10, we look at this and say, okay, 10 can't go into 7 evenly, so there's my 0. I bring the decimal place up. 10 goes into 75. 7 times, multiply, you get 70, subtract, you get 5, bring down the 0, 50, so it's 5. 10 goes into 55 times, so it's 75 cents, right? Which should make sense because when you divide by 10, it's really just moving that decimal place once over, right? When you divide by 10, you move the decimal place once over. So that's 75 cents. And then if I double that, it'd be $1.50, and then $2.25. So I'm adding 75 cents each time, $3, and so on and so forth. So I could keep filling in my chart, but I notice it's 75 cents each time. So then it asks, assuming the current ticket price is $7.50, use the diagram at the right to find out how much more the tickets will cost. Well, they're going to cost 20% more. So what is 20%? 20% of $7.50 is $1.50, right? So we would say $1.50. That's how much more. That's 20%. So I'm gonna write it here. 20% of 750 is $1.50. Okay. So then what will the new ticket price be? Well, to find the new ticket price, it's the old ticket price, 750, plus the amount that they're increasing by. So 750 plus $1.50 will equal $9. So the new ticket price is going to be $9 based on using my chart to find my percent and adding those numbers. Okay. There we go.